G'day folks, Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions. My absolute pleasure to introduce this 1973 Pontiac Firebird. It is a Super Duty tribute. Started life with a 350, now running the big Super Duty 455 block. Let's have a closer look. This 73 Firebird, the 455 Super Duty tribute, originally fitted with a 350 V8 2-barrel carb, now running the fully rebuilt big block 455 Super Duty jump. Fully bead-blasted, painted in 2-pack Chrysler Sapphire Grey, high-performance valve springs, Manly chrome poly push rods, and the list goes on. Absolutely rust-free, folks. Very rare collectible car, even in the USA, which was produced in low numbers. Even's got the reconditioned 12-bolt limited slip diff. And of course, if you're a Queensland buyer, 455 TAM plates will be coming along with the car. Yeah, this beast is lot 30, folks. Going under the hammer Saturday, 30th of August, 12 o'clock. As always, I'll see you there.